Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal. Today we want to show you 5 reasons why we think you should visit this city, starting with our number 1 most important reason.
The price. Lisbon is actually a very affordable city, and we're going to start today with a coffee and a pastry.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We stopped at a little cafe. I got an espresso, a ham and cheese toasty, which you can find everywhere in this city, chocolate croissant, and Amber got a cappuccino. It looks really good. The total for all of that was €5.35, and we started talking to the shop owner. He was the friendliest guy.
He gave us free wine.
Oh yeah.
Here's a little bonus answer for why you should come to this city. It's a great way to get exercise, let me tell you.
We did not realize how many hills were in this city.
Let the leg burning begin.
After that inexpensive breakfast, it's been 2 months and I need a haircut. This place offers haircuts for €3.50, so let's try it.
Well, baby.
Maybe the $4.50 haircut would have been better. It's not terrible.
It's just a different
Just
style.
a different style. He did do a good job. Miscommunication. Yeah.
The only part about this city that may not be completely budget friendly is the cost of lodging. We're spending $40 per night for our shared Airbnb, and the hostel beds average about $20 per night, but the cost of everything else completely makes up for it.
Okay, maybe you don't need a haircut, but you are going to want to go see the castle. It's only €10 per person, and that's about the most you're going to spend on any tourist attraction in the entire city.
Last but not least, the cost of public transportation. Just the other day, we left the airport around midnight, and the Uber to our Airbnb only cost us €6. Which brings us to reason number 2 why you should visit Lisbon. Public transportation. It is all over the place, and the tram system itself is kind of why the city's so famous. As full-time travelers who literally carry their lives on their back, it's important to have affordable options to get around other than using our own 2 feet. One of the best ways you can see the city is with the tram. Tickets are only €3, but there is a better option.
You can buy an unlimited 24-hour pass for €6.45, and that works on the bus, the metro, and the trams.
The unlimited pass can only be purchased from a metro station. We somehow snagged a seat because a lovely couple got off right as we got on. You're not seeing the city properly if you don't ride the yellow 28. It takes you through the most historic districts of town, and it's pretty much a glorified tour bus, but it's a lot cooler and way cheaper.
This is one of the trams from the 1930s, so it's a tour all on its own. I would pay €6 just to ride this tram. Portugal is mostly known for their seafood, but there's some other specialty treats here that you should also try. Number 3 on our list is my personal favorite, food. We're gonna start with the Pastel de Natta. We stopped for some Pastel de Natta. This is one of the most famous desserts in all of Portugal. It's an egg custard tart, and you top it with cinnamon with some coffee. These are adorable. Wow. Oh man.
That is so good.
The crispy outside is amazing. Got a nice warm inside.
Can I
That is so good. Look at that. These are €1.10 a piece, and we got 4 of them.
As you can see, this is a very popular place. You really do need to come here and try these. I'm not even a fan of custard, and these are some of the best desserts I've ever had. Everything I read online said you have to order these with a coffee, so we did. But then I saw a sign about this drink that's been around a while, so we wanted to try it too, and it tastes just like tea.
Before we go and get food, it's wine 30. You can drink on the street here. We got these from the owner of the restaurant this morning, and he told us that a glass of wine here is only 65 cents.
That sounds dangerous. I think we're coming up to a concert of some kind. Sounds pretty wild though. What is this? What is that? Oh, is she serving wine?
Something.
How much is it?
Este é €1.
Okay, okay,
Este é
chocolate.
chocolate, é €1,5.
Okay, you talked me into it.
Obrigado.
And vino. Vino?
Não. Olha,
Liqueur cherry.
Cherry liquor.
cherry.
Okay. As we're walking towards the music, we see this lady and she's serving cherry liqueur in chocolate cups. It was €1.50. How could you pass it up? It's very cherry. That's delicious. How cool.
It's time to go see what that business is going on over there.
I have no idea what's going on. So we just asked somebody and they said that it's carnival. It's an improvised carnival though. The city didn't want to put it on, I think, because of COVID. And so the neighborhood just decided, let's have it here. They also said that it's very hard for a police car to come through here, so it would have been harder to break it up. So they had it here in the alleyways, and everybody's just having a good time.
Oh, they're having a lot.
Well, we picked a good day to go wander. Those Pastel de Natta did not quite fill us up, so we're gonna try to get outside of the touristy areas and find some more food. Although Lisbon is known for their seafood, they're also known for their grilled, spit-roasted chicken, along with peri-peri sauce. It's like a spicy sauce. Do I dare?
Yeah.
It's got a kick to it, but you can see it.
That hot, huh?
It's not too bad. This is covered in butter. Let's get some sauce on here. This is a little container. Yeah, I'm so excited. I don't know what the total bill is gonna be, but this whole entire chicken was €12.50. It's not bad. This is so good. Covered in butter, you got the spicy sauce. It's crispy. It's fall off the bone tender. I mean, this is perfection. This is good. I'm impressed.
I don't know if I say this everywhere we go. Actually, I don't say this everywhere. That was some of the best chicken I've ever had in my life. The best part is the crunchy skin. You cannot go wrong with spicy chicken.
It wasn't just spicy chicken though. It was drowned in butter, cooked to perfection. We destroyed this thing. We almost got another one.
One of the best views you can get throughout the entire city is from the top of the Elevador de Santa Justa.
That's the line. The lift costs a whopping €5.30, but it is free with our 24-hour Metro card. That's a bargain. This thing was fast.
This elevator is actually nicknamed the Eiffel Tower of Lisbon, which is kind of ironic because Gustave Eiffel's associate is the one who built it.
There is an observation deck that is 1 story higher than the elevator deck. However, it's not part of your 24-hour pass. It's an extra €80, and it's closed right now, so it doesn't matter. You actually don't need to take the elevator to come up here. You can take the Carmo do Largo Square and just walk right up. Between the elevator and the countless hills, there's plenty of ways to see this city from above, but the real beauty is down below.
Lisbon is filled with cobblestone streets, narrow alleys, colorful buildings, tiled buildings, colorful buildings next to tiled buildings, and let's not forget the castle, plazas, churches, and so much more. Our fifth and final reason why we think you should visit Lisbon is the weather. It's 70 degrees today and it's mid-February. Year-round, it barely dips below 60 and hardly ever gets above 80. That's pretty close to perfect.